We're gonna consider this my first video to my wannabe influencer journey, okay? It's gonna be a hair video if you didn't know. I'm no hair girly, so if I can do this, so can you.
So here I'm taking out clips, getting my hair ready and prepared. So let's get into it. I wet my hair to loosen it up, and now I'm detangling it with a wide tooth comb. Here we have the African Chebe Pre-Wash Deep Treatment Mask. I absolutely love this mask. It smells so good. The Chebe powder in the mask promotes moisture in the hair strands, which contributes to less breakage and more growth. And I've really been able to see a difference in the past year since using this mask. I mean, really, I'm at the bottom of the jar. So I'm putting on a cap, and in the meantime, I'm gonna go wash some dishes or mop or something. BRB. I'm back. I'm using the African Chebe Moisturizing and Strengthening Shampoo. This also smells bomb and lathers up really well, so I don't need a lot. I can count on one finger how many times I've been in the shower with a shirt on. The YouTube girlies are really dedicated.
My eye! Woo!
Ooh, like soap in the eye, crazy.
Okay, we good.
Next, I'm sectioning off my hair and using the third product from the Design Essentials Chebe line, the Moisturizing, Strengthening, and Leave-In Conditioner. Just a little bit per section will do. You don't need a lot. This dimming brush is the holy grail of all brushes. It really detangles my hair and helps the clumping curl process. Gotta have it. Boom! I bet you wouldn't have guessed this was the next day. At this point in my life, I separate wash day and style day because, baby, the process can get extensive. So here I'm just wetting my hair section by section. Again, my best friend, Mr. Brush, he's gonna get those curls right. Can't confirm. For styling, we're going to use two products, and yes, you heard right, only two. Design Essentials Strengthen and Curl Perfecting Mousse and Contours Clear Protein Styling Gel. Absolutely love them both. I rake the mousse through first, and then I add the gel on my fingers and pretty much go through the section, grabbing smaller sections and giving them a twist or two from the root to the bottom. The key here is not to coil the hair too tight. That's going to give you more of a finger coil. Here, I'm simply defining my curls and working the product all the way through with just a finger twist twirl or two. Keeping a spray bottle of water on deck is what's going to keep your hair in this style on fleek and make the process much easier. So remember, water, detangle, mousse, gel, and a small section twist. We're going to call these the Pixie Twisties. So I've been using Design Essential products on my hair for the last 2 years as I've transitioned from a straight hair girly to a fully natural hair girly. My gym motivation was hair motivation, so I told myself, let's put down the curling iron and pick up the hair mousse and truly go on this natural hair journey, like for real this time. I've wore all kind of styles, blonde, short fro, wave, pink, braids, I mean, you name it. This was me June 2023 when I did the big chop. Shout out to Courtney, the Curl Conqueror. She's amazing. And here I am in April 2024 and the curls are flourishing. Well, we're all done with the twisty process, and I'm going under the dryer for 20 minutes. I mean, absolutely stunning. Here I'm using a blow dryer and a diffuser for a few minutes to help break up the cast from the dryer and give my curls some bounce. And there we have it, a beat face later, honey. The curls are juicy and I am so satisfied. Mwah. Let me know what you think.